Hello, everybody. The Chandrayaan-3 lander is scheduled to land on lunar surface on the 23rd of August 2023. After completing 2 successful lunar missions by ISRO, Chandrayaan-1 and Chandrayaan-2 in the year 2008 and 2019, respectively. And yes, Chandrayaan-2 was a successful mission as it placed the orbiter in lunar lower orbit, which is still operational, hence successful. But today, let's talk about Chandrayaan-3, its mission, the new Pragyan lander, future ISRO missions, and much more.
Hello and welcome everyone to the Dr. Gyani Show, hosted by Dr. Gyani.
6 to 1 kilo. Plus 5 seconds.
Lift off normal.
So let's start. Chandrayaan-3 is going to soft land the Vikram lander and Pragyan rover at the South Pole in the dark side of the moon. And by doing so, India will become the 4th country to soft land on lunar surface and the 2nd country.
A small update by Roscosmos. The Russian Space Agency confirmed the crash landing of Lunar 25, which was scheduled to soft land on lunar South Pole. This makes India the first country to
reach lunar South Pole. The dark side of the moon is part of the lunar surface with least amount of exposure to sunlight, so the temperatures and pressure is fairly similar to that of Earth. It may have solid or liquid water and other useful minerals, which can expand scientific studies and discoveries. Now the launching vehicle, LVM-3, carrying the propulsion and landing module, launched at 14:53 IST from the Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh, on 14th of July 2023. The spacecraft successfully completed the earthbound firing stage and entered the trans-lunar injection orbit on 1st of August 2023. It entered the lunar injection phase on the 6th of August 2023. The landing module is planned to be separated from the propulsion module and enter lunar orbit on the 17th of August. And if all is done according to plan, the landing is expected to be on 23rd of August. This is a simple trajectory of the Chandrayaan-3 mission. In theory, this is a very time-consuming trip to the moon, but makes it very affordable, and thus could be completed with only a budget of $90 million, which is very less than that of many Hollywood movies. This is the Vikram lander. The single most important objective of the mission is to soft land Vikram on lunar surface, through which Pragyan rover can survey the lunar surface and conduct experiments for 14 Earth days or 1 lunar day. The rover is equipped with laser and X-ray diffraction equipments which help in navigation and propulsion on the lunar surface. This time, to ensure proper communication with the command center, the propulsion module also functions as a transmitter and receiver of signals from Earth to the rover. This was done so that we do not repeat the inconvenience like in the Chandrayaan-2 mission.
The moon, we are aiming at sun as well. This is going to be India's first solar project, Aditya L1, the first space-based Indian observatory.
4 Indian Air Force test pilots will be India's astronaut-elects when they finish their 12-month-long training course in Russia. These astronauts in training will represent India when mission Gaganyaan.
After the Chandrayaan-3 mission, it is now time for Gaganyaan, Aditya L1, Shukran and other ambitious projects of ISRO wants to achieve in the next 15 years. In the Gaganyaan mission, ISRO plans to send crewed missions under RARI Indian human spaceflight program to space, independently, Rakesh Sharma Sunita. Williams Kalpana Chawla are some of the most well-known astronauts and cosmonauts from Indian origin. But this will be the first time India sending human to space called Vyomanauts. Indigenously, ISRO aims to continue scientific studies and experiments in space with a 3 crewed spacecraft at an altitude of 400 kilometers for about a week. Aditya L1 is a planned coronagraphy spacecraft to study solar atmosphere, currently being designed and developed by the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, and various other Indian research institutes. It will be inserted in a halo orbit around the L1 point between the Earth and the Sun, where it will study the solar atmosphere, solar magnetic storms, and its impact on environment around Earth. After the large underground oceans of Saturn's moon. Titan, the upper atmosphere, is the most like habitable places in the solar system. To study the rare and unusual part of cosmos, ISRO wishes to send Venus orbiter mission called Chandrayaan. This a pretty new and unexplored part of Venus that may potentially be a floating paradise in the future.
Thank you so much to everyone who reached till the end. If you liked this video and love to see more such content, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Please like, share and comment. Please comment the topics about which you like to see my new videos.